Increasing subscribers on YouTube can be challenging, but there are several strategies you can use to help grow your channel. Create high-quality content. One of the most important things you can do to attract subscribers is to consistently create high-quality content that is relevant to your audience. This means producing videos that are informative, entertaining, and engaging. Optimize your videos for search. Make sure your videos are optimized for search by using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results and make them more discoverable to potential subscribers. Engage with your audience. Encourage your viewers to comment on your videos and respond to their comments. This will help build a relationship with your audience and make them more likely to subscribe to your channel. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can help expose your channel to a wider audience and attract new subscribers. Promote your channel on social media. Share your videos on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to help attract new subscribers. Use calls to action. Encourage your viewers to subscribe to your channel by using calls to action in your videos. This could include asking them to subscribe at the end of the video or adding a subscribe button to your video. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Keep creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience, and over time, you should see an increase in subscribers.